Until now, we have seen various alternative layer 1 blockchains challenge the performance of Ethereum. Now, some have developed unique scalability solutions that deliver sub-second scalability without breaking the network into multiple layers. Now, they had cultivated dynamic ecosystems like the Solana protocol that attained near instant transaction times with its proof of history consensus mechanism. However, in 2023, another emerging layer 1 protocol that set out to challenge Solana's legacy is the Sui Network. The Sui Network has attracted significant attention for its network performance within the cryptocurrency community. Now, the Sui blockchain has seen increased traction within the decentralized financial world, especially lately. Now, do you remember how Facebook, Meta, tried to launch their own cryptocurrency called Libra, but they actually failed due to legal problems? Now, behind their development team were 5 employees, and they are actually the ones who are behind Sui, which just launched last May in 2023. But now, first of all, let's have a look at the price, and the live Sui price today is trading at $1.51, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 46 with a live market cap of almost 1.8 billion. That's actually huge for such a new blockchain. What is, however, even more impressive is that the Sui total value locked in has increased by more than 1,500% over the last 4 months, propelling the network's explosive DeFi climb above Base, Cardano, and even Bitcoin. This is according to DeFi Llama. So leading layer 1 blockchain Sui, which was founded by the same group that oversaw Meta's Diem cryptocurrency project, has continued to expand at an explosive rate, topping around 500 million in total value locked and ranking among the top 10 blockchains according to the measure with DeFi Llama. So in this video, I thought we should take a look at the Sui blockchain along with its features, strength, and beyond. And in the end, we're also going to look at some future price predictions. Now, just in case that you're new to crypto, well, let me start off with the obvious. It's time to learn something new and something really interesting. Now, it might seem complicated at times, but trust me when I say it will only be another step towards success to be among the top 1%. You see, it is with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you with top quality projects which are currently trading at 50 to 90% below all-time highs. So do me a favor, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and join the live streams when they are on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am number 1. Sui is a first of its kind layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform designed from the bottom up to make digital asset ownership fast, private, secure, and accessible to everyone. Its objective-centric model based on the Move programming language enables parallel execution, sub-second finality, and rich on-chain assets. Sui offers 4 key technical innovations, and the first one is object-centric design. Sui uses objects as its basic unit of data storage rather than accounts, as happens on most other blockchains. Developers define, create, and manage these programmable objects that represent user-level assets. Now, an object has distinct attributes, including ownership, whose values can be updated based on the governing logic of the smart contract that created it. Second, first of its kind composable transaction. Programmable transaction blocks are one of Sui's most powerful core developer primitives. For conventional blockchains, the fundamental unit of execution is a transaction which is typically simplistic and close to the virtual machine execution. On Sui, however, the fundamental unit of execution is elevated to the level of a complex composable sequence of transactions. Third, parallel processing of simple transactions. Most blockchain transactions are simple transactions such as asset transfers, peer-to-peer payments, and minting NFTs. Sui uses an algorithm known as Byzantine consistent broadcast, where a requester or proxy can proactively talk to validators to facilitate processing without consensus, resulting in near-instant finality without diminished security. And this enables parallel transaction submission and execution on a massive scale. 4. Horizontal scalability. Sui scales horizontally to meet increased network demand on the network. So validators, they can add more computing power to increase their performance as needed and reduce it when not needed. Even with high network traffic, Sui's tokenomics model is designed to keep gas fees low and stable. So for users already on the chain, trading and transaction in general feels lightning fast. As compared to chains like Ethereum, Sui Network fees seem non-existent, at less than a penny to be honest, per transaction on average. And the high throughput in combination with low fees makes it a great option for complex contracts for games, innovative DeFi protocols, and especially also for high frequency trading. So, what is the breakthrough technology for everyday utility? Well, first, game changing entertainment. Sui unlocks new gaming experience with the power of expressive smart contracts. So players, they can truly own in-game assets that are only limited by the developer's imagination. Second, the Internet of Value for everyone. Sui enables near instant settlement for peer to peer payments and asset transfers, allowing builders to develop fast, available, and accessible financial services. And third, authentic interactions and verifiable assets. Social networks built on Sui allow media, posts, and interactions to be owned by the creator and verifiable by users. So, thanks to the advantages of its technology and the leading developers and builders that have started utilizing its platform, Sui is rapidly assembling a comprehensive suite of ecosystem applications that provide seamless integration. Sui has a more advanced technical stack than Layer 1 blockchains, which have been in existence for a longer period of time. Now, this includes features like liquid staking, decentralized exchanges, top lending protocols, and the network's recent addition of DPIN and DV. Sui now hosts 9 protocols valued at over $10 million and 4 protocols valued at over $50 million total value locked, demonstrating the depth of the ecosystem in which numerous initiatives are thriving. Now, first on the list with 112 million TVL is the lending protocol Navi protocol. Second, with more than 100 million, is the Scallop Lend. And then we see 3 decentralized exchanges, also known as DEXs, which are named Cetus, Aftermath Finance, and FlowX Finance, all compiled the top 5 according to DeFi Llama. On the gaming side, one of the most popular games on Sui is called Panzer Dogs, which is a 2D play and earn tank battling game where players can own all of their in-game assets, so you can own your own tanks, I suppose. And Panzer Dogs is developed by Lucky Cat Studios, which is a Dutch studio with a track record of over 200 million downloads on previous releases. The game is already live to play, and you can check it out yourself at play.panzerdogs.io. Let me know if you've been playing the game there. Now, Sui has experienced a significant price increase, reaching an all-time high of $1.64, which was recorded on January the 30th. Now, this surge in price came shortly after Sui Wallet announced a partnership with crypto infrastructure provider Banxa. And as a result of the partnership, users can now on-ramp with fiat using Banxa's payment solution, all within the Sui Wallet app. Additionally, users will benefit from zero gateway fees. And I really have to emphasize that this on-ramp with fiat, so you can actually get fiat, normal US dollars or euro, transferred into a blockchain ecosystem is very valuable. And last but not least, let's look at some future price prediction. And the first one comes from Trading Beasts, and they believe that we're going to see a high in 2024 of $2.22 and $2.34 in 2025. Not a lot of let's say, plus from 24 to 25. However, the second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict that the price will hit $3.09 in 2024 and $3.64 in 2025. And the last price prediction comes from Wallet Investor, and they're seeing a high in 2024 of $1.88 and $2.17 in 2025. So looking at these price predictions, I think it's fair to say that they are not very bullish or optimistic, but let me put it like this. These price predictions that we take from these public sources are not always spot on. However, it is clear that Sui is a pretty new project, and it already has a huge market cap, and we need obviously to monitor and see what's going on. So in case this video gave you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash and subscribe and all them goodies. Now I would also like to point out that we are not holding any Sui in Betty's portfolio currently, but we will certainly monitor it, and maybe for the next video we will look into the top 5 protocols on Sui and see if they're gonna offer some, let's say, lucrative risk-reward ratios. That's all I got to say about that. Remember, smash the like, come join the live streams when they are on, and that's all I got to say about that. But don't forget, Kitty, she loves you.